I recycled another piece of junk mail today and made a super cute pocket card. Now I use the Otterly Amazing stamp set as well as all of the different papers that go with this suite and the matching gems, and I just went to town and had a ton of fun. Now I stamped these otters here with Memento Black ink, and now I'm coloring them in with my alcohol markers, the Stampin' Blends. And I love coloring with those because they make you look good even if you're not a good colorer. And so I just colored this image in. Look how cute that is. Now see my piece of junk mail? It's one of those ones that you get all the time. So all I did is just cut off that extra flap there so that I could create a pocket. And then we will cover it with all different kinds of paper designs. Now I just mixed and matched and had fun with it. See how they're just kind of wild and fun stacked all together there. So now see how we have the pocket there. I'm going to glue the sides of that closed, and you can put your greeting on the inside. It's a pretty deep pocket, so it would be a little bit big to just put a gift card. I think it would get lost in there. So I will have pictures and all of the details of everything I use to make this card on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I'll have all of it on there for you. I can't really put dimensions of this for you because it all depends on what kind of piece of junk mail you find. But it's really easy to just measure it and cover it, and then you're good to go. So now I'm just having fun just dressing it up. You saw that I stapled on that little piece of matching ribbon there. I had some die cuts, and now I'm just kind of brushing the ends of that just to make it look kind of fun, like it's in the water. And we will just add some of the really cool the irregular pearls there, and they look really neat. They look kind of like river rocks, but it's that matching peacock color that goes with all of the papers that I'm using. And now we're going to make the little insert that will go inside the pocket. You could glue a gift card to the insert, that would work, but I just went ahead and dressed it up. Now these otters here I cut directly out of the paper. I used the dies and die cut them out, and now I'm just going to do a little stamping and it's going to be done. Isn't this absolutely adorable? I hope you love this idea and you can go to town and start covering up all of your junk mail. So again, I hope you love this. Head on over to madetocreatewithlisa.com for close-up pictures and the links for everything that I use to make this. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoy these fun ideas, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Talk to you again soon.